Today we're going to be taking a look at the Freedom X home office chair from Newtral. We're going to get it open, I'm going to get it all assembled, and then we're going to take a look at a few features and kind of discuss what I like about it compared to some other office chairs I've used in the past. Yeah, let's get into it. So I'm really excited to be opening up the Newtral Freedom X office chair today. It does have a bunch of features we're going to go over in a bit, but the quick rundown is basically everything is adjustable on this seat. The armrest can actually fold down 120 degrees, the backrest can rise up and down 100 millimeters, the chair itself can go up 100 millimeters, then the backrest can tilt 90 to 104 degrees, and you can actually adjust the depth forward and back by 70 millimeters. So this chair really allows you to set up to whatever is the most comfortable or whatever activity you are doing. You can actually just customize it perfect. It is designed great for if you are someone who has a pet close to you all the time and you want them seen on the seat either next to you, or they want them to have easy access up onto your lap. This chair is perfect for that. Now, as someone who's put together office chairs in the past for reviews, what I really love about this is the fact there's so many moving parts, and yet it's so simple to assemble. It's really just 4 main pieces, and then you attach the base to it. So here we have it, the Freedom X from Newtral. So let's go over some features on what actually sets this apart from a bunch of other office chairs, and why this really is flexible and allows you to live the lifestyle that you want to live in a very comfortable way. So the armrest can be folded down to 120 degrees, and then they can lock in at different intervals on the way up. On the back there is a foldable tabletop that can fold out, and on that you can actually fold out 2 cup holders, and then it does have a little stopper at the end for a laptop in case you want to work on it. To pull it down, you just lift it up completely till it unlocks and then fold it back down. As you can see, both armrests can also fold down and lock back up like I mentioned. This is great if you do want to have a pet sitting next to you while you're working. You can configure those armrests whichever way suits you on how you want to laze around or sit down, or maybe even for your posture you find it more comfortable one way or the other. You can of course raise up the chair itself 100 millimeters down and up, and then you can raise the backrest. If you raise the backrest completely up, it will unlock and go completely back down. You'll hear clicking on the way up, and you can set it at the height that you want. With the back mechanism, you can push it in or click it out, and that will lock or unlock the tilting mechanism for the backrest. And this can tilt 90 to 104 degrees. Once you've set your tilt, you can lock it in place and then just unlock it again. Now, using the front handle, you can actually set the depth of the chair. It can actually move forward and backwards up to 70 millimeters. So using that combination of the depth of the chair and the backrest tilt, you can actually get a very deep, comfortable backrest tilt. And with all these features combined, you can really customize this seat to exactly how you want to sit or how you want to use it. If you want to use it as a workstation, if you want to use it as a lazing station, maybe you want to be on your phone or handheld gaming center, this is perfect for you to just get comfortable. So overall, there's just so much to love about this chair. And the first thing I love about it is the fact that it doesn't need to be an office chair. If you really break it down, this is a very well designed, very artistically designed piece of furniture that you can have anywhere in your house. And the way that it can be completely customized to what you want to use it for, from laying out, from having a pet come and join you either next to you or on your lap, it's going to make it nice and easy for them to get up. I love the fact that you can actually adjust it any which way that you want. If you want to be laying down backwards, if you want to be sideways, you want to be completely enclosed, you want to turn around and use it as a workstation. and pretty much anything you want. The fact that they designed it the way that they designed it makes it look more like a statement piece and not just a generic office chair that makes it look like it's there for one reason and one reason only. So if you are interested in the Freedom X from Newtral, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Please tell me what your favorite feature of the chair is in the comments. Hit that share button, share this with a friend, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.